Something has to be nurtured before you can just plant. Something you can go direct seed. These things have to be nurtured. These are tomatoes, cabbage, sweet pepper. And she just nursed some more cabbage and sweet pepper there.
Okay.
So we got to keep it coming. We had corn here. I harvested that corn. That corn that I did, the 400 pieces, came out of this field.
Okay.
All right. Now we're doing beans. All right. They getting about ready. Beans water, the push-pull technique. I'm set up for it already.
Okay.
In between where the one seed go to push them out, they're right around the corner. I can go around and put the other ones in there, and that's how I'm gonna get rid of them. So here's my problem. See right here? That's a very good example. It's almost 100%. So that means that maybe 20% of the crop is gonna harvest. They're gonna be okay.
Okay.
Almost every last one of them got something in there. That's what I'm trying to fix.
Okay.
Okay? It's a little moth that lays the egg in the middle of the night.
Yes.
All right? And this is my cash crop.
Yes.
Okay? But that's what first off, when they're still young, you get the parentheum and shoot down there. And then you catch them in the middle of the night. You get them, they don't come. And then the push-pull, put some in the middle to push them out. And then also the apple grass, such a mean, but they kill them. But they can't really eat it like they thought they could.
Okay, explain to me in detail what the issue is with the actual specific insect and you don't have a weed problem, right?
It's a moth that lays an egg. It loves this here. It's called a stem burrow. All right, it lays the egg and it comes up, go through the stem. In fact, the stem will get weak. And what you're gonna notice somewhere down here where it's leaning over, it don't there you go. See down there, kind of bent over.
Yeah.
It didn't make it, and it does it in the first 2 to 4 weeks.
Okay.
That's the very critical time.
Okay.
That's why I got to get my night goggles on, a flashlight, and come in the middle of the night and spray with the parentheum.
Okay.
Parentheum is a knockout spray. The ones we miss, we'll dig a little small, shallow thing in the middle, put the seeds in and let them go to seed to repel them. Then the apple grass on the outside, it draws it to them, draws them away.
Okay.
Okay? That's what it is. It's organic. Drug by alley. Almost 100%. And some of them gonna make it, but it's not what I'm getting. This is why I'm getting 400 pieces instead of 1,000 pieces.
Yeah.
400 pieces. And that makes all right? And again, I'm doing the same thing in the same spot. So on the end over there, we just planted them last week. This here is about 3 weeks old. You know what I'm saying? They got flowers on them already, so they're gonna be producing soon. Okay? They even got some okra right in there too. And I think some eggplant again.
Okay.
Okay? So that plot is ready. The plot over there we're gonna do. Right here is almost finished. That's the same weather stuff. We almost finished with that. We're gonna be doing this. But I got 2 more plots to do here. All right? So there's one there, right? 2, 3. They just did this one. And now they on another. I got almost 5 plots I can prepare.
Yeah.
All right? Now I can't prepare because first of all they got to be. Oh, I'm sorry. This is ready. All I can do now is plant. Got to get some water. We can plant. That one is ready.
Yes.
But this one they just did. They on another one right now, and that one is ready. Okay? So it's really 4. 1, 3, they're gonna be 4. What I really need is, first off, I need another pumping machine so I can water them all down. All right? After that there, I need to have the input to put in the ground. For each one of those holes you kind of see, there's fertilizer there. It's based on combination of chicken manure and cow manure. All right? But it's very strong. I would basically water it down, put that in. Well, first off, we make lines. I'm gonna come over 6 feet. In between is where the water is gonna go. And right each one of these spots, we put in a seed. This is where the seed is gonna go. Okay? And that's how we've been doing. That's what you see. And we have to keep it kind of clean though, and that's why you see weeds are coming now because we're trying to go. I'm trying to keep going. This is another plot. See, it's 100 by 100.
Yes.
Roughly. Okay? This is ready now. So
Okay.
what you do is you make the lines or the furrows, you come back down and put the chicken manure cow dung mixture in. That's your fertilizer. You water it, plant. That's it. Then we have to start. If it's corn, we have to start after the first week when they emerge. The first beginning, which is they usually come up within 4 to 5 days. We say 5 days. You got to come out here. What we're trying to do. The second part of it is that once we produce it, we want to first off make it self-sufficient. We want to get that to the point there, and then we want to get it like what they call turnkey, where you can come in and the system is in place. You can stop and do it. All right. Also, we want to show the indigenous people. Make it something that they can do. It ain't too hard for them, but it ain't too far from what they're already doing. And it's very cost effective for them to do it this way. And now they become productive. Now they become sustainable instead of subsistence farming. And that's what we're trying to get everybody to do. My people, how's it? Hey, let them take my feet. These are my workers. They call this the 18. They came in, these young guys. They're in high school. Well, and they came in like blockbusters, man. They're the ones who did that path. They knocked it on out, man. Okay, here's one of my brothers. He's from the U.S. He wanted to come and see what we're doing. And I told him the 18 is on top of it, taking care of the business. All right. This right here, cocoa. We got cocoa. And cocoa don't really grow in this area, but it's trying to do something. Okay. Now those last two that look nice and green, that's Tetrophis. You know Tetrophis? You heard of that, right?
No, what's Tetrophis?
Oh man, maybe I'm not pronouncing it right. But it's a tree that has the seed has roughly 60% oil. If you have a hectare of this, it'll produce you 10,000 liters of oil. It's usable oil for gas, you know, in the place of gas, but it's a very usable oil. It takes the place of fuel. So anything you have diesel, burn that straight. I just wanted to get something started. If you look right there with those trees, those little things are coming up, that's an avocado tree.
Snap.
All right, and you got about, I think two of them are going down here.
It's my favorite.
I have seeds coming, and I try to plant stuff all the time, different stuff. It makes a basket out of it. Everything comes out of here. No outside, nothing. All right, and even the person doing it, if you don't count his labor, it's him doing it, but he just get whatever they get there be on a price. He just makes them and they buy them from him. But no outside influence controls it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now that's the first thing. Also, while it's growing, you get palm nuts, where you get the palm oil. You make the palm soup, that red palm oil. Okay, and then inside of that nut, there's a kernel. You make palm kernel oil. Then when it's all said and done, you cut it down, palm wine. Very useful tree. This is what you see. This is the, and you know, I personally believe we got this from Africa. You know how they in North and South Carolina where they do the moonshine in Georgia? They got it from here, sure. I believe. Because they ain't just give people, they got craft and people know some things, you know? And so they put the application in here, they cook it. I'm coming. Okay, no problem. I'm just going to show him this. And it goes through the water, just like, you know.
This one stop.
And this one, drop.
Now, you are removing all this. Pour it out.
And get some
this
more.
Water is hot. Away.
Right. But it's the whole process. So
this one.
But look at that. Put it over there. That's where
it's day and night. You are working day and night.
Day and night.
Yes. You are working day and night.
That's the product. Now that's the. You see how clean it is? You put a little bit down and a little something. Put fire to it. It burns.
Yes. Day and night. You are working. The whole day and the whole night. Yes.
And they don't stop to drink.
Yes. Correctly. And the tea.
Here, we call it locally Cebola.
Cebola?
But now people are telling me it's sorrel, and some people call it hibiscus, but we're going to have some before we leave here. And we're going to do it without any sugar and stuff. Okay. We're going to make us some. You take these little things here, and you grind them, just let them dry out and grind them. Oh man, it makes a beautiful drink. This is what, remember the red zinger?
Yes.
That's basically what I'm talking about. Volta's bigger than this. Remember that bridge we went over first? That's the Volta.
Okay.
This here is a tributary that runs off of it.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And in fact, it's a major tributary. But that's a lot of water.
It is.
And it's clean. It's all clean.
It's nice.
Okay? All right. Now, what happens is, at this particular point here,
Mm-hmm.
the river kind of turns.
Mm-hmm.
So what happened is, there's really a creek. The water comes here.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now, when you go see that from the above, it makes more sense because what happened is all this here is like a creek, almost lack of a better word, but it's got a lot of this here growing up. In fact, I think some of this is almost bamboo. Look like it. But anyway, there's in between that creek, there's some land here, and then you have the river again.
Mm-hmm.
Now you're gonna see all of that. And I didn't know people over there growing food big time over here.
Mm-hmm.
All right, but this is really our boundary, the creek, and it kind of snakes too. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now it's run by gasoline, okay? But we want gasoline is more expensive and it doesn't do a whole lot. So we're going to convert that to using propane. They call it gas here, all right? Which is liquid petroleum, liquid gas. That's where right now it's coming and running over there. So we turn the fuel off, all right? Just like that. And now this one here might last a month compared to a day or two. All right? So I had to get it, man. I need help. So now I need another machine to do the exact same thing. Then I can go this way at the same time and it'll be cost effective. I gotta get me a little platform and secure it so it won't go nowhere. But that's where we at. That's what you came to see. So we good now. That's what I'm happy. These super ones. Just check them out, Murphy. Yeah, come on. You see that? Ain't that clean?
Oh, yeah.
He won't drink it. Come on. Back in there. Okay. We're going to turn it off after this here. So we're ready to water now. Hallelujah. That's how I'm supposed to do last time we came. So we straight away. Waiting on you. Collard, mustard, and kale.
Yummy. Grown organic from our farm.
The plan was that I had brought for Netafine. Netafine, I was trying to get them to, because they have a thing that rolls out.
Uh-huh.
They got a lot of holes in it. The thought was to dig a pipe. And have it where it pivots up and down so it'll be out of the way. You pop it up and bring it here, you roll it out, you hook it up, turn it on, you do each one of these, run at the same time. And then you go to another place, do the same thing. Turn this off, move to another plot. That's what you're doing. But what we're doing now, because I ain't got the funds to do it, I put the pipe here, it go down. Put the pipe here. It's a little slower.
Okay.
But it's working. And we, like I say, we water from the bottom. When it comes here, it's water from the bottom. We don't put water on the bed itself.
I got you.
And that groove is where we water.
I got you.
It's been very successful. And we're trying, like I said, this is something that the indigenous people will do because it ain't that far from where they do. They'll buy a pumping machine. They'll buy a pipe. They ain't gonna buy a drip irrigation system because they can't afford it. Or even a sprinkler.
Gotcha.
All right? So this is what they will do. My name is Yanni Dan Eliakim, and I want to share with you about what I'm doing in Ghana, West Africa. I have a fairly new NGO called Ghana Africa Restoration Society. And the goal and mission of it is to restore Africa back to its greatness using agriculture as a vehicle for change. They're like, what we're trying to do is get the indigenous, particularly the young people, into agriculture because the population is an old population of farmers, and now the youth don't really have nothing to do because unemployment is high. So what we want to do is get some mechanization. The biggest impediment, the biggest obstacle for people wanting to get into agriculture is the land preparation. It's so labor intense. So we wanted some mechanization. Then the problem that we have then is dealing with the finance as far as being able to get the material and things that they need. And what we do there, we have what we call a success kit that consists of seeds, inputs like fertilizer, organic insecticides and things like that, a pumping machine, all the things you need to go through a growing season. You want to do that as a loan, and in the process of getting their business started. And if for some odd reason they're not able to be successful, we want to agree to come in for a few years to get it profitable, or at least get the money that we put in it out, and hopefully we'll give them a second chance at it. Okay, so that's what we are looking at doing. And then also the third part of it is market, and that's what we are doing with the cooperative NGO, is to create a market for them. Basically, what we're doing is trying to get the youth back in it because unemployment is high. And what we're doing is that to address unemployment, we're going to use business, create a business. And the business is a small farming, small family farming. And what's good about this is that it applies to the indigenous people, the local people, but also say someone in the diaspora and they want to leave. A lot of people are coming to Ghana or Africa in general. They can come and we can help them get a couple acres. Cause all you would need is a couple. You would do a maybe on a half of an acre, a house and a garden. Everybody got to get your hands dirty. You got to have a garden. And then with the other acre and a half or acre however you big the house you want, you would put you into a rotation where if I'm growing tomato, you're growing tomato, and we're growing it the same way, so there shouldn't be no difference in our tomatoes. And now we can sell it as a cooperative. And basically, the whole idea is to create a brand. And that's what we're looking at doing, so that all the food from this general area, we want to be quality food. Also, agriculture, a lot of things come out of agriculture. We're looking at also getting into health, education, rural development. All those things can are basically subsidiary or different departments in the NGO. And that's what we are saying. If anyone is interested, come on down and help us restore Africa back to its great. questions or want more clarity on things, then my divine pleasure if you can reach out for me at my email. That's yahneev@yahoo.com. Yahneev is spelled YAHNEEV as in Victor, Yahneev@yahoo.com. Okay, or you can call me at 404-855-6857 or internationally at +233-248-121471. So I'm all over the place. It'd be hard not to contact me. And I definitely appreciate it, and it'd be my divine pleasure to share any questions or comments that you have. Thank you.